Hello, Brandy Davison here. I'm a design team member with Coco Daisy, and I'm here today to do a quick, well, I say that every time, as quick as I can with this much product, a quick unboxing for you of the September 2020 kit called Solstice. And this one is an absolute beauty. The little card that comes in your beautiful polka dot box is kind of a good indication of what we are up to here with this unboxing. So, gonna get started. Today I'm going to start with something a little bit different. I'm going to start with the sticker kit. So I'm going to swipe these guys to the side. And this is the memory keeping sticker kit. So this is just all the stickers that are just absolutely fantastic and match everything. So there's this little guy that has some word phrases on there and some, you know, like Solstice, some night sky inspired stickers. And then these are fantastic. Love these. A lot of times I will die cut these so you get like really cool ephemera in that shape. Some little tabs, phrase stickers. There's always a couple washi on the back. I love you to the moon and back. That's fantastic. Or on the bottom. I love you to the moon and back. There's that guy. This guy here. Oh, I cannot wait to see this paper. Some more washi. Great labels. Some more phrase stickers. I don't think I ever have any of these left at the end of playing with these kits. I just love phrases and words. Oh my gosh. All the days to 31 circles, some more washi, and the format of these are the same each month. Like you get labels up here, you get, you know, some matching stickers, usually some circles. Look at those, isn't that gorgeous? Or you get like a square alpha and then an alpha up top, but they change. So while the format is the same, and some clear stickers there that are just gorgeous. While the stickers change to match the kit, the concept is the same. So you can always count on getting phrase stickers, you always can count on getting labels, you can always count on getting washi. They just change to match the kit collection that month. So that's very cool. I'm gonna put my favorite on top. So that is the memory keeping sticker kit. Gorgeous. Next, I'm going to move on to the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. So again, this is the Solstice collection. And this guy, make my pile over here, comes with this beautiful washi. Hopefully you can see that. It is the kind of ombre rainbow paper. I'll show you the bigger one, but that is just absolutely fantastic. These little die cuts here, Coco Daisy Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. These are the die cuts. So hopefully you can see that okay and there's not too much glare. The days are getting shorter here already, so I've got my big lights on. And then these are the alphas, a really nice gray. And look at this. I'm going to show you because I can. I'm going to pull it right out of there. So here's your alphas, right? There's your packaging, but check out that packaging. That is 100% pattern paper that needs to be used because it is fantastic. And then even look at the I don't know what you'd call that. The extra touch here at the top could also be used. Cut that off, and that's like a little skinny washi for you as well. So don't ever forget about the packaging. It's fantastic. These are some gold vellum stars. Cannot wait to play with those. A fantastic tag. Oh, these are cute. This month the glitter dots are glitter stars. You can see those there, and I just love this blue color. Ooh, my favorite. A set of stamps in this one. Sparkle like you mean it. That's a hard pass for me, thank you. Oh, I'm going to use that a lot. I say that a lot. Yeah, really great menu and just some extra kind of flourishes that are Solstice inspired. This one will be great for just adding texture randomly all over the page. Really good. All right, there is also this fantastic gold speckled star inspired vellum. Hopefully that's coming through. We'll see. There is the, kind of go in my order here, this great chipboard. Oh, and it's good dimension for Traveler's Notebook. Really great. Again, the same format each month, but you get it to match your kit. So there's always going to be these phrase guys up here, some circles, some of the tabs. Really fantastic. Love this. Love the color scheme. Oh, I can't even believe it. And then you also get, flip this guy over, every month you get some layout ideas and a couple of sketches. So those are fantastic. So couple layouts and a sketch with some instructions. Love those. And you build them all together over the months of the kit is what I'm doing for quick reference. And then these are the papers. There's going to be 2 of each, as you can see there. So I'll show you the front A and B sides here. Gorgeous. And those are tiny little triangles that represent the colors that are in the kit. Circles, bubbles. And that's the same as the package branding. Like, isn't that fantastic? It's absolutely gorgeous. Proving my point that packaging is pattern paper. Another one, beautiful. Love that star. Gorgeous. Oh wow, look at that one. That is fantastic. And then this is that sort of that ombre rainbow I was talking about, but describing poorly. This is what matches the washi tape. Isn't that fun? Yeah. And so you're going to get 2 of these in the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. So you can use, I love all the sides. Oh, I forgot to show you that side. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. That matches beautifully with that sun and the moon. That is really fantastic. Almost didn't show you that one. Yikes. And then there's also the Traveler's Notebook that comes with this kit. So I'll do a quick flip through. So this is going to have the same kind of papers. There's always a couple pages with like a really cool statement on it. And then it's going to come with graph paper. It's going to come with dot line paper. Oh, love that. Look at that beautiful center. Cannot wait to do that one. It would be neat to sort of kind of map that out to the people you know who are each of these signs. It's kind of a cool little, you know your family better, or know your friends and family better. Or as now with COVID, everyone's calling it their bubble, the friends and family. Look at that one. Oh, I love it. You can see there's a bit of like dot texture there. And then there's the back of the book. Yeah. So that is the Traveler's Notebook. So you can see that there. So that is the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Collection. And the stickers underneath there, sorry. Okay, and then I'm going to move on to the Memory Keeping Pocket Kit. Beautiful. All right, let's take a look. This one, I will admit, I peeked through a little. My sister was in town and she's a scrapbooker, so I had to show her, but usually I'm doing this raw, but not this time because I was just too excited. That's that same fantastic washi, thank goodness, because I see myself doing a lot with it. Some of those gold vellum stars, fantastic. This is a stamp set, but it's different than that other one. So again, just keeping in mind, if you order multiple kits, don't even worry about it. So we were here, welcome fall, like some more Solstice inspired. This is cute. Good food is good mood. Hilarious, love that. And then I like this one, currently recharging, please come back later. Very cute, great stamp. Some more of the glitter stars, love, love, love. Can never have too many. The cutest little post-it notes ever in the world. Hello note, to and date. Those would be great for journaling, like on any page. Boop, just put that down. Super cute. The alphas. So again, same alpha type as the other kits, but a different color. Love that. And it looks so good when you have like a longer title and it's maybe even all the same alphas, but one of the words is a different color. Love, love, love. That moon tag, beautiful. This guy also comes with chipboard. So again, these great colors, the blues, that pink, oh, fantastic. There is some die cuts in this guy as well, and I'll hold those up for you. And these ones are different than the other ones, so very fun. So again, we're talking September here, so you'll always find a couple of pieces that are really specific to that month, and then all the rest is kind of whatever you want to do. So there's some back to school and some fall in here, but all the rest, you know me, I'm usually scrapbooking travel pages, and it always works. And then there is the 2x3 cards. So I'll just do a quick flip through of these guys. Oh, I love that. Good morning. Here we go again. I just am absolutely in love with this mustard color that is infused in this kit. It looks so good with the dark blues. Oh, on the menu, that's a great one. My kitchen. Don't forget. Things to remember. That one I'm definitely using. Or maybe I need to save that one and turn it into a magnet on my fridge. Thanks for looking up. First day back. Ooh, that's going to be an interesting one to read this year. Say cheese. That is the best camera. September stories. And again, not doing September. Slice that sucker off and you're gorgeous. So I don't ever worry about that there's a flavor of each month in this because I just do what I do. And it's just a taste of the month. It's not overwhelming. You could use this for any month of the year, to be honest. And there's that, the month one that comes each time. I love it. That's pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. I love this, the classic. That just seems so clean and nice. Time for a change. Loaded. Almost done here. Sparkle like you mean it. Stay wild, moonchild. Cool. And then these are the 4x6 cards. So really, really cute. Hello, September. There's that triangle pattern, or actually that looks like mountains to me. Sorry if you can hear my dog. This is another saying. Fantastic, September favorites, and then stars. And then there is a set of the paper in here as well. Sorry, my fingers are not working very well. So there's one set of paper in this one, and then that's got those same B-sides as well. So love it, love it, love it. We're gonna leave those stars right on top because they make me happy. So that there is the memory keeping pocket kit, and there's the washi with it. So I'll make my pile over here so I don't mix things up. And then this one here is the planner kit. And I order the standard Daisy Dory. So this is sort of that classic original Traveler's Notebook side. 4 1/4 and 8 1/2 roughly. So those are my extra pen guys. And there is the beautiful pen this month. There is another washi in this collection, and it is that beautiful purpley dark navy with stars. There is the cutest little post-its. That's that sun that we saw on that paper. Look at these gorgeous clips, and that paper clip is just fantastic in that lilac color. This is the notepad this month. Don't you love it? Oh, I just love it. And then there's die cuts in this one as well, and these ones are not on the back, so I'll just show you a quick little flavor of what these guys are like. There's a whole bunch in here, so I won't go through them all, but there's a good idea of what you can find in there. Look at those fantastic colors. Love that there's some feather infused in here. These fantastic florals, really, really cute. And you can see that's packed, and there's lots of those tabs in there, which is perfect for planning. Here's our little September guy here. Notes, tracker, to do, September goals, really cute little labels. Then here's our monthly guy, days of the week, weekend, days of the month, all that good stuff. Love it, love it, love it. Super, super cute. And here's some more stickers. Maybe it goes that way, September. And this is a washi, some tabs, and then I love using these in my planners to mark the days that folks are coming to pick up stuff, which is extra important when there's a long weekend because I forget the day. And this is, I'm gonna try and see, maybe that will show. This is just a vellum tab here, little dashboard with the gold stars on there. Here's the paper for the planner kit, which is different than the other ones I've showed you. So there's that beautiful guy. Let me just do this way. Love that one. That's going to be so great. I cannot wait to use that. Some more kind of circle infused stars, astronomy inspired. That is the one I could not wait to see. That is fantastic. So gold shimmer on there. I'll show you the other side there. Yeah. And then a beautiful stripe, because you can never go wrong with a stripe, and it is just absolutely fantastic. I love blues. And then there is a beautiful script, which is, you know, also another one you can never go wrong with. So fantastic. Here's that guy. And then these are the amazing stickers. So hopefully you can see this, but it's a row and it's actually stars. So if you peel out all the individual stars, then you get like negative stars, and then you can use the positive as stars as well. Really cool, and it's in that great dark navy. So that there is the planner kit, and this here, you can see all those goodies, and this is the planner size that I use. So I'll flip through really quick for you. Super cute. Oh my goodness. Oops, sorry, finger's not working. I think I missed a page there. The cosmos is all that is, or ever was, or ever will be. Give you a good idea. Lots of opportunity to get really, really personal with these. Just make it your own. Dun, dun, dun. Love the color theme on each page. Fantastic. And then finally, there you go. So beautiful. Start here. Absolutely. So yeah, that's the planner kit in the Traveler's Notebook size. And then last but not least is the classified kit. Love these. I love that it's the biggest surprise there is on the website. Oops. So this is what this guy is looking like this month. So we've got some of these fantastic sequins from Pretty Little Studio called Lovely Lavender, and I hope that is showing through, but they are so holographic and fantastic. These are some freckled fawn wooden stars, perfect for Solstice. The cutest little flare, Dream a Little Dream, very, very cute. Some of the lilac, these are Cocoa Daisy alphas, so that's fantastic as well. I think I say that word way too much. Some stickers that look like paint. I just love using these to kind of tuck behind layers and such, so it looks like you did a lot of work, but really, nope, Cocoa Daisy did. freckled fonts, some gold fonts. This will be great because kind of infused throughout each of the kits is those touches of gold. And then there is some paper. This is Pretty Little Studio paper. So you can see that kind of that deep navy purple concept in there, and that one as well. And I should point out that this front guy, they look the same. This is like a vellum, really fun. So that's going to be really good to bring into the collection. Oops, that little flare guy keeps flying everywhere. So that is that. So that is me, you guys. That's the classified kit. I've got the Traveler's Notebook planner size. I've got the, what do I have here? This is the memory keeping pocket kit. I've also got the Traveler's Notebook plan memory keeping kit, and then I've got the sticker kit as well, and I just cannot wait to play. So I'll get this video edited and up to you guys as soon as I can, and I hope you are having a wonderful August and looking forward to what's bound to be a pretty interesting September with most of us and our kids returning to school. So should be interesting. Thanks so much for watching.